As manufacturing businesses roar back to life post-pandemic, many are now facing truly unique challenges in their sales process. In our experience, many of these challenges are fueled by not having an alignment between their sales and marketing teams and not maintaining regular and consistent contact with prospective and current clients. The results of these challenges is likely weakened sales team performance, most importantly, a drop in profitability. So let's talk about that. Kevin here, I'm the Director of Marketing for American Management Services. Like most other B2B businesses, marketing in the manufacturing industry is complex. But before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to receive more content just like this. Marketing in the manufacturing industry often experiences a much longer sales cycle than what's commonly seen in B2C. Most of the selling process has gone online, where your prospective buyers are educating themselves about your business, your products, and your competitors long before they reach out to speak with you. In fact, a Forrester study found that B2B prospects complete as much as 3/4 of the buying journey before making themselves known to a salesperson. To stand out, you need a formal marketing and sales strategy that focuses on the values, features, and quality of your products and services. This also means planning out your buyer's journey with your sales and marketing teams, accounting for each stage of the sales funnel the prospect is in. These stages include awareness, consideration, and decision. We'll dive into this further in another video. The key to success is to open up lines of communication between your marketing and sales teams. Everyone needs to be involved. Some ways to improve your digital marketing and lead generation efforts include: number one, optimizing your web pages to be visually appealing, informative, and most importantly, streamlined. Focus on the values and benefits for your visitors in an easy-to-read, skimmable way. Number two, whether you call them banners, headers, or heroes, the top of your web pages is prime real estate. Make sure this section is clear and simple, and avoid being clever, using industry lingo, or being too wordy. Number three, ask yourself, what do I want my prospect to do here? Each web page has a purpose. And if that purpose is to book a call, download a guide, or submit a request for proposal, keep that call to action simple and clear and straightforward. Do not overwhelm your visitors with too many calls to action. 1 to 2 is your maximum number. Share client testimonials. Showcasing your client success stories is a powerful way to promote your products and services. We recommend sharing 2 to 3 testimonials on each page of your website, keeping the message short and relevant to the product or service or industry you're targeting. Avoid the generic, "working with Bill was a great experience" types of quotes. Focus more on the impact your business has made on your clients. For example, since working with Acme Co., we've been able to ship our products faster, increasing revenue by 25%. Number 5, utilize lead generators. It's time to roll up your sleeves and get creative. Using lead generators to share the details and benefits of your products or services is a great way to educate your prospective clients and establish authority. Lead generators also serve as a great way to collect email addresses, which is critical to familiarizing your prospective clients with your products or services. Now, let's talk about ways to complement your sales efforts with your marketing. Number 1, utilize LinkedIn Sales Navigator. From prospecting opportunities who are not in your pipeline to qualifying leads, LinkedIn Sales Navigator can be one of the most powerful tools in your sales bag. Some valuable ways your sales team can use it include saving and monitoring key prospects and accounts, identifying similar products using LinkedIn's View Similar tool, organizing your prospects with tags and notes. Number 2, develop a hybrid sales strategy. Post-pandemic, many people don't want face-to-face interactions with a sales representative, preferring a virtual exchange instead. In fact, a 2021 survey by McKinsey found that only 20% of clients say they hope to return to in-person sales. We're not suggesting you abandon in-person, face-to-face sales. It's an extremely effective way to build strong relationships with your clients, but you should have a strategy to sell to the folks who prefer online. Hybrid selling leverages the best of in-person and virtual sales, benefiting your business with faster response times and shorter sales cycles. Easily recorded sales calls for training and development, and saved travel expenses. Most importantly, it fits the way your clients want to buy. To learn more about hybrid selling, I strongly recommend Selling in a Hybrid World, an online course by HubSpot and Sandler. Now, let's talk about how to maintain consistent contact with your prospective and current clients. According to Sales Hacker, 63% of people requesting information on your company today will not purchase for at least 3 months. 20% will take more than 12 months to buy. This makes the quality and consistency of your communications critical to your success. Based on the stage of the funnel your prospect is in, the types of content you should consider include, for the awareness stage, blog posts, email newsletters, white papers, checklists, how-to videos, and guides or tutorials. For the consideration stage content, you might want to consider testimonials, catalogs, case studies, free samples, demo videos, product spec sheets, or FAQs. Decision stage content includes free consultations, pricing pages, free trials, and estimates. If content is king, then quality is the kingdom. We strongly encourage you and your team to take your time when planning a content strategy. Ensure you are delivering value to your prospective and current clients. As you develop each piece of content, consider how it can be used to nurture your prospects and keep your current client list up to date on your products and services. Maintain regular newsletters, sales emails, and posting organic and boosted posts on social media is a great way to raise awareness in both groups. That said, make sure everyone in your organization, from your admins to managers, is aware of the content you're publishing and that they are active in helping spread the word. With an uncertain future on the horizon between rising inflation and possible recession, now is the time to push your marketing and sales efforts harder than ever before. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video till the end. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to receive more content just like this.